Hey there, I am at Lakeview Park in Nampa, Idaho. We're at the Festival of the Arts in the park here, and I wanted to share with you some of the great art that I found and some of the cool techniques. Little backstory, Robert and I actually did these types of art shows or arts and craft shows, farmers markets. We had a little business called Honeybear Designs, and Robert made charcuterie boards. I'll show you a few pictures of what those were like. And so coming to these art festivals is really special to me. I just love to meet the vendors and see what's new and what they've got going out here. So anyway, I will show you around. The first thing I wanted to show you is these cute little dolls that are made to throw at the television set when your favorite team is losing. How fun is this? I would like to introduce you to Elemental Pores. I was so impressed with this artist. Her original resin paintings are one-of-a-kind works of art that incorporate Earth's natural minerals, such as plume agates, geodes, thunder eggs, garnets, and turquoise. Inspired by Earth's minerals and natural beauty, these paintings are made with a resin base and mica powders or acrylics and take on a unique, glossy finish. For an added touch, some of her original paintings are backlit to bring out the colors, textures, and depths of the minerals within. I will leave a link to Elemental Pores' website below. Check out this amazing art. You'll never look at a rock the same way again. I wanted to showcase this particular artist's style of mixed media. Her style focuses on dimensional texture, often incorporating found objects, upcycled materials, and a wide array of paints and mediums to create layered, visually rich, and evocative compositions. I have worked with this style of mixed media art, and I just love it. Live Edge Design, LLC creates handcrafted art pieces and furniture that incorporates the natural, preserved edges of wood slabs, often blending them with other materials like epoxy resin to create unique functional art and decor. Here's another artist I found particularly inspiring. Using a technique known as heliography, Sunscribes uses an array of mirrors and lenses to focus the sun's powerful rays onto a wooden canvas. With meticulous preparation and constant movement, he can use a controlled burn like a paintbrush. This artist creates fun and funky yard art with rusted metal. And don't forget the food vendors with their amazing array of food and beverage options. Lakeside Park has a beautiful rose garden. Come along as I show you some of their amazing roses.
Being an RV Life channel, this craft show may not resonate with all of our viewers. However, if you want to get to know who we are, you should note that this type of craft show really resonates with Robert and I. You see, we had a little craft business called Honeybear Designs. From its meager beginnings in 2021 with our scary little booth and hardly any product, we were able to build this into a business that we were quite proud of. The business had to be put on hold when we decided to live full-time in our RV, but we're very proud of what we developed over the time, and I am so proud of Robert and what a wonderful craftsman he is. He took a known craft of pouring epoxy resin with mica powder between live edge boards to create charcuterie boards, but he put his own spin, added 5 and 6 colors to create these beautiful works of art. He added feet and handles to the boards, and these became a very popular part of our business. We've had customers continue to reach out to us, hoping that we are still making these boards. Unfortunately, we've had to let them know that we are currently on hold. Hopefully, when we settle down in a house again someday, we'll pick up where we left off and get back out there showcasing Robert's wonderful talent. As you get a glimpse into our former craft adventure, I just want to thank you for joining us as we learn the whole YouTube world and work on creating a channel that you will love. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming along for the ride.